All right, so we're going to learn about the rules of exponents, and we're going to start with product rule. Let's start with this example. Let's suppose I have like 3 to the fourth power, right, times 3 to the second power, right? Now 3 to the fourth power for exponent means we have like 3 times 3 times 3, right, times 3, like 4 times, right? And we have multiplication here times 3 squared. So 3 will be like twice, like 3 times 3, right? Now all together, if you want to remove the parentheses, when you remove the parentheses, you will see, right? You will see it'll be like 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? Times 3 times 3, right? So we have 6 times here, right? We get like 3 6 times. So the answer will be 3 to the 6th power, right? But we can see like the connection between if we add 4 with 2, if we add 4 to 2, we're gonna get 6, right? So there is a shortcut to this. Like a shortcut. So 3 to the fourth power times 3 to the second. So we're gonna leave the base, which is 3, and we're gonna add the exponent, which is 4 plus 2, and that will give me like 3 to the 6th power, right? So in general, like when multiplying like bases, like we have 3 are the same base, right? When multiplying like bases, we're gonna keep the base and we add the exponent, right? So the rule of product rule, right? So the product rule said, if I have like, for example, a to the n power plus a to the n, multiply, so times a to the n, we're gonna keep the base a and we add the exponents. All right, we add the exponents. And this is the rule of the product rule for the exponents. So let's take this example here for the product rule of exponent. We have 7 to the 5th power times 7 to the 4th power. Now, as we know that for the product rule, when multiplying like bases, now here we have like bases, as you can see, we get 7 is the same base. So we're gonna keep the same base, which is 7, right? And then we will add the exponents, which is 4 and 5. So it's gonna be 5 plus 4, and the answer would be 7 to the 9th power. 7 to the 9th power, right? So I got this example here for number 2. We get negative 1.2 to the 6th power times negative 1.2 to the 3rd power. So again, we're multiplying like bases. We're gonna keep the base, which is the same, which is negative 1.2, right? And then we're gonna add the exponents. It's gonna be a 6 plus 3, and will be negative 1.2. 6 plus 3 is 9, and that's gonna be the answer. Right, that's gonna be the answer. All right, so I got this example number 3. We had negative 9 to the 3rd power times negative 9 to the negative 4. So we're gonna keep the base here, which is negative 9, and we add the exponents. It's gonna be like 3 plus negative 4, right? Now 3 plus negative 4 is the same thing as 3 minus 4, right? And what we do here, we take the difference, which is between 3 and 4, which is 1, and the sign goes to the highest number, which is going to be negative. So it's going to be negative 1 here, right? And we're never going to leave our answer as negative exponent, so we need to change this one as positive exponent. So we're going to change it as a fraction, 1 over negative 9 to the 1st power. And we can remove the 1 there, right? That would be like 1 over 9, and that's going to be the answer, right? So in general, if I have like a to the negative x, and you want to change this one to negative positive exponent, it's going to be like 1 over a to the x power, right? And, let's suppose I have an example here. If I have like 2 to the negative 3, that will be 1 over 2 to the third, and that would be 1 over 8, right? Well, the same thing if I have like 1 over a to the negative x, that would be a to the x. So if I have like, for example, 1 over 3 to the negative 2, right, that will be 3 to the second, which is going to be 9. So this is very important when we deal with negative exponent. Make sure you change it always to positive exponent. I got example number 4 here. As we can see, we have 3 bases, and it doesn't matter as long as we have the same base. So we can add, we're just going to keep the base 3. We're just going to keep the base 3, and we add the exponents here. So we have like negative 2 plus 4 plus 8, right? Now negative 2 plus 4, that will be 2 plus 8, and the answer will be 3 to the 10th power. That would be the answer.